Hi there and welcome back to Birdseed. In this video we're going to be discussing how to use the Customize Tools option on the left hand sidebar to actually build out your Birdseed panel. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This is where we're going to be able to actually edit the content and tools inside of our Birdseed panel. On the right we see that we have our preview, and you have the option of choosing between after hours panel and working hours panel, which you can control the working hours in the settings, or panel settings on the left, at the bottom left. But here we have a live preview of what this will look like. And here I have all of my tools. So I can see all of these tools. To edit one, I can just hit the downward arrow and that will open it up. And you see that I have all my tool features right there for that tool. I can save it or close it. I'm just going to close it and that will take me right back out. So let's say I wanted to add a new tool. Say I want to add something to my panel. I'll hit add tool. Now you see I have all the remaining tools left that I can use. Each tool can be used one time in the panel. The only tool that you can use numerous times is the link launcher feature. So this is like a button that can link or anywhere that you really want to go, any external URL. But say I want to put, let's do video showcase here. I'll go ahead and hit video showcase. And then now you see it's going to add that to my panel as that loads. And then now I see it has video showcase right there in my panel preview. So on the right, on the right I can see that. On the left I can go back over here, hit the downward arrow to edit, and let's change this name. So maybe you wanted to put, like our media or something like that there. You can get the actual tool link to be able to open that directly on your website, but then you'll be able to actually edit your content, put in some intro text, put in visibility information, add your content. You can add your videos and all that stuff right there pretty easily, and all that will be shown in the later videos when we talk about the tools themselves. But this is where you'll be able to actually manage that and create these tools inside your panel. And what's really cool too is I can also add groups. So if I want to add a group here, I'll hit group. Now I have a new tool group at the bottom of my panel. I can expand that. I can see, let's just name this group A right there. And then you see I can drag tools into this group. So I'll go ahead and drag the video showcase in there. Actually, we'll grab it on these 6 dots on the right. Grab that, pull it down, maybe meeting schedule as well. I want those to be grouped together. So now I have new group, and if I hit new group in the panel on the right on my website, this will pull down to expose these other 2 tools there, and I'll go ahead and save that. So that's a great way to make sure that your content is not too big, and that you can use these groups to organize, and you can even change the icon or whatever you want. Say now it's a phone. Say however you so choose. And lastly as well, you can also feature items if you want maybe the live chat to be featured. Hit that, you see now it'll put this in its own little button to feature that at the top of the page. And you can also see where it says working hours only, or if it has everything, all the hours. And also you can hit the little garbage can if you want to delete something as well. So that is pretty much it for the customized tools. Pretty easy. Add your tools, edit them, add your groups, edit them, and build your Birdseed panel here. So if you have questions, let us know. Or just keep watching these videos to find out more about Birdseed. Thanks.